This is the default WooCommerce product page. It's boring and it's costing your sales. But this is a custom design page I built entirely for free using Elementor. Most people think you need Elementor Pro to unlock these features. Today I am going to show you a secret workaround to edit every single part of your product page, like the title, the images, the price, without spending any money. In just 3 steps, we will set up a free template builder, design a layout that actually converts, and make sure it looks perfect on mobile devices. No coding, no pro license required. Alright, let's begin. This is my e-commerce website and I want to edit and redesign the product page with Elementor free add-on. So very first let's check the default layout or style, then we will edit or redesign it with Elementor free add-on. So click over here and go to the product page. Alright, as you can see, this is the default or current product page layout. Now I have to install a free add-on. So go to the admin dashboard and hover over on plugins, then click over here add plugin. Alright, from the right side top, as you can see, search plugins. You have to search the plugin name here that you want to use. In this tutorial I want to use free plugin ShopBuilder. So type here ShopBuilder. Alright, ShopBuilder, WooCommerce builder for Elementor, which is completely free. It has pro version as well. I have given the pro version link in this video description. If you want to add more advanced feature, then you can check their pro version. Now click over here, install now. Activate. Alright, after install and activated the ShopBuilder add-on, you will be redirected to this area, and this is the admin dashboard. As you can see, a new option is added in left side menu, ShopBuilder. If I hover on it, then it shows templates, builder and settings. Very first I want to configure the settings. So click over here, settings. Alright, and this is the ShopBuilder add-on settings panel. As you can see, it has some settings tab. Just you have to navigate to the Elementor widgets tab. So click over here, Elementor widgets. Then scroll down and check product page. Alright, and this is the product page. Already know we are using the free version of the plugin, so we can use the free widgets. I want to use all free widgets for the product page. As you can see, this is the product page free widgets and this is the pro widgets. We don't want to use the pro version. Okay, so click this toggle button and enable all free widgets for the product page. Alright, now we have to configure another settings from the Elementor. So hover over Elementor, then editor, then click over here, settings. Alright, as you can see, very first tab is general. So click over here, general, then scroll down and post type. You have to check this box, products and WooCommerce page builder must be. You have to check this box, then save changes. Alright, our settings has been done. Now I can close this tab, then again go to the admin dashboard. Now I want to create template for the product page. So click over here, template builder. Then you will get this interface, and from here you have to create the template for the product page. As you can see, very first it shows WooCommerce page builder, add new page. So click over here, add new page, to create a new template. So click here, add new page. Alright, then you will get this window, and very first template name, you have to give the template name here. I want to create this template for the product page, so I can give here like product page template. You can give that you desire. I want to give product page template, so type here. Alright, product page template, then the select template type. Just you have to click this down arrow and select product page. That's why I want to create this template for the product page. So must be you have to select here product page. Scroll down and select editor type, Elementor. So I want to create this template for the Elementor. So click and select Elementor, then the set as active template. Click this toggle button and enable it. Alright, then you will get this pre-built template. Before importing the template, if you want, then you can check the preview. So if you hover on it, then it shows preview and import. So click over here, preview. Alright, this is the product page preview. Now I can close this tab, then again go to the ShopBuilder dashboard. As you can see, only this template is free and other is pro. I want to use only free version. So hover on it, then click over here, import. That's great. As you can see, the template has been imported successfully. Now it shows done. Alright, if you want to edit this template with Elementor, then you have to click edit with Elementor from the right side bottom. So click over here, edit with Elementor. That's great. As you can see, this is the product page Elementor editor. Now you can edit the product page from here. Okay, before editing any content or any color, let's check the default product page. So navigate to the next tab, and this is the default or previous product page. Now I can open this product page with another tab to compare between previous and present product page. Alright, as you can see, this is the latest product page and the design has been changed, and this is the old product page, as you can see, and this is the new product page. Okay, and as you can see, this is the quantity increasing and decreasing button. We have to change the color. So again, go to the Elementor editor and select this option, this pencil icon from the left side. As you can see, quantity. Okay, then the style, click here, style, button, then the quantity. Okay, I want to change the color, quantity icon color. Okay, I want to give here like white color. Okay, publish it from the right side top, then again go to the product page, refresh it and check it. That's great. As you can see, it works perfectly. So in this way, you can edit the product page with Elementor free add-on. So again, if you can see, this is the product price. If you want, then you can change the product price position. So again, go to the Elementor editor, like this is the price, like just copy it, or you can delete it from here. Okay, I want to give here, like I want to give the price here. So from the left side top, click here plus sign, then type here product price. Alright, as you can see, this is the product price. Just drag and drop here. Okay, you can see this is the product price. So publish it from the right side top. Then again go to the product page, refresh it and check it. As you can see, currently the price is showing after the product title. So refresh it. Okay, as you can see, it has been changed. Again, we have to fix this add to cart button text. So go to the Elementor editor and select this pencil icon, navigate to the style tab, and as you can see, this is the button. We have to change the width from here. Okay, I think it's perfect for me, and if you want, then you can change the background color from here. Okay, that's great. If you want, then you can delete this add to compare and add to wish button from here. Okay, just click and delete it. Sometimes if you can't see here like add to wish list and add to compare, then you have to enable it. So again, go to the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard, and hover on ShopBuilder, then click over here settings, then navigate to the modules tab, modules. Okay, then you have to enable from here product compare and wish list. Sometimes if you can't see here like add to wish or add to compare, then you have to enable the module from here. Don't worry, I have in details video about ShopBuilder. You can check my previous video. I have given the video playlist in this video description. Okay, so again click here and enable it, then go to the product page, refresh it and check it. That's great, it works perfectly. So in this way, you can edit the shop page. If you want, then you can remove it from here. Okay, everything is editable with the Elementor. If you want, then you can enable or you can add any content here. Okay, so in this way, you can edit the product page with Elementor free add-on, and you can make it that you desire. If you want, then you can check it with mobile device. Is it completely mobile friendly? Okay, so now we'll check it. So again, we have to fix this, publish it from the right side top, Then go to the product page and check it again. Okay. Alright, it was perfectly. Now I want to check it with mobile device. So click here. Alright, as you can see, it is 100% mobile responsive. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos on WordPress.